This is Gooby's litter. They don't have the music center in here because they're not ready for their first concert. Their eyes are open and they're starting to see a little bit, but they can't hear yet. So no music just yet, but soon, within the week, I'm guessing. They are in what I call the drunken sailor stage. You can see they had a little bit too much to drink at the milk bar. Okay, buddy, let's go this way. There you go. And it's nap time. And we've got, these two are girls and those three are boys. And they're almost playing. I'm guessing in another day or two they're gonna really start playing. And this one's sleeping on his brother. He's very adventurous today. That's usually the really lazy puppy that just likes to really sleep, but he's going to town today and exploring. What do you think? Anything interesting? Says no. Not really. These guys are little porkers. They are working really hard on their eating skills. I would say they're succeeding very much on those. I would also give them an A+ on their napping skills. And their faces are getting very pretty with their eyes open. My goodness, so much to say.
He's like a bulldozer.
Everybody has an opinion today.